Hello everyone, Matthew here, and today we're going to go into nature. Let us take a walk. Now, my favorite part about nature is collecting sticks. Leaves. They're pretty neat. Sure, they're not really, they're kind of just there. There are rumors around the school about this creature that goes around and puts the markings all over this wood. He goes by Nykirk. Look, berries. Let's go get some. I shouldn't have aimed those berries. They were probably poison. Send help. That's our show. Thanks for watching. Back to you, Jamie. I think it's tearing on my insides.